Hi, it's TechFixx. If your Windows search is not working, you click Start, type something, and it either finds nothing, lags, or just shows a blank window. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing you should try is restarting the search service. Press Win plus R. Type services.msc. In the list, find Windows Search, right-click it, and press Restart. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If that didn't help, the search index might be broken. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, search, then click Advanced Indexing Options, press Advanced, and then Rebuild. This will recreate the index from scratch. It might take a few minutes. Still not working? Let's reset it using PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and run get-apex package microsoft.windows.search pipe reset-apex package. This will reinstall the search component. Now, if none of these fixes worked, you might be dealing with a deeper Windows issue. Sometimes the Windows search service won't start at all. You might see this error, system error 6801. This is not really a search problem. It's a Windows file system issue. The only real solution is to delete the contents of the TXR folder. But there's a catch. Those files are locked while Windows is running, so you need to boot into an external environment. Boot CD or safe mode. If you don't have a USB or don't want to use external tools, the easiest option is boot into safe mode. Once you're in safe mode, go to c:\windows\system 32 /config/txr and delete all files inside that folder. If you're not sure how to boot into safe mode, you can find tutorials on my channel or elsewhere online. After that, restart your PC normally. Windows will automatically recreate the TXR files, and the Windows search service should start working again without any errors. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more real fixes like this. And if you have another issue, drop it in the comments. I might make a video about it.